Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming with another photo editing tutorial. I hope you guys will enjoy it because this is a major transformation, and with only basically 2 apps, and if you want to add some more effects we will use the third. I will show you. We will edit the photo on the phone, so we will work only on the phone, and we will use Lightroom, then Snapseed, and this is totally optional, but if you want to add some more effects, some bokeh lights, some other decorations maybe, I will show you what you can do in Motionleap. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support me, and if you like these kind of videos, hit that like button. And if you're wondering what I'm wearing, it's this cute hat made by Diana from Bloom Fashion Studio. I will link her Etsy shop down below, and her Instagram, you can check her out. They are handmade with love. It's a faux fur. The packaging, I really like the packaging, so let me show you. The packaging is very cute, and the box is recycled and recyclable 100%, which is absolutely fantastic. And she gives you a thank you card in this little envelope. It is so cute. Check it out. It says, "Dear Andrea, thank you for supporting my small business. Wish you the best in your creative journey and life. Diana." I think this is so sweet, and we should totally support small businesses because they seriously put a lot of effort and love in the things they make. I absolutely love these hats. They're so warm and they are so stylish as well, and they come in different colors, 5 different colors actually, in this light pink, a darker pink, black, white and gray. So again, I will link her Etsy shop if you're interested, and her Instagram. And don't forget to follow me as well on Instagram if you like creative photos, if you want to see more like behind the scenes. And without any further ado, let's get started, right? Okay, so first of all, I will search the image I want to edit. So this is the image I want to edit. You can see that I put some actually bed sheet to have a white background. Yeah, we will have to brighten it, color correct it to make it dreamy. So let's add this to Lightroom first of all. Then I will search it. Here it is. And if you've seen my previous editing video, you know that usually in Lightroom I use presets because it's very simple and quick. It's a fast way to edit, even if you have to make some adjustments, but it's very easy. Okay, let's talk about presets. So there are presets that you can buy. I bought mine for $1 per set of usually 10 or 12 or 15 presets. And if you want, I can link in the description box the sites where I got mine from. These were like holiday special offers, so they are not $1 every time. Check them out, and they are really pretty. Plus, I found some apps in Google Play, and those presets were just fine as well, and they were free. So make sure to check some apps out if you don't want to spend money on presets, or you can create your own preset. If you want to show you how to create a preset, how to install presets, even though if you buy them they come with instructions, it's not complicated at all. So if you want a whole video just on presets, how to create them, how to install them, then let me know and I will show you. So let's get back to our picture, shall we? Usually I have a lot of presets, and and usually I just take a look, see how each one of them looks on the photo. Usually I know what I'm searching for. Now I'm searching for something to brighten my picture, so this Bohemian Dream is super nice, but actually I found something better, and it is, yes, so I absolutely love this because it brightens my picture. You can see here is the before and here is the after, so the shadows are all pulled up. I really like everything with this picture. It's so nice. So I will save this. Okay, let's save this and open it with Snapseed. Wow, my phone is really tired. It takes so long to save this. Usually it doesn't. Okay, so here is my downloaded image. I will press edit and Snapseed. Okay, so first of all, I want to resize it just a little bit. So I'm gonna go to resize. Let's see, like this. Okay, great. So as you can see, there are some spaces in the background that are, well, not very well covered with the bed sheet, so I will use the double exposure tool to open the same image again, because we have the same colors, and try to overlay it in a way where the, well, bed sheet from the background can be overlaid on that little space from the first image that is not covered with the bed sheet. And as you can see, the opacity is at 50%, so I can see my original image and the one from the top. I will work in little sections, so I will try to cover the left part first. Okay. Now we have to press this, see changes, double exposure, and you can see that the double exposure is at 100%, so I can go and draw. And I told this in the first editing video as well, make sure to really zoom in. You will be able to work much more precisely, and don't worry if you cover parts of the first layer, the original photo. You can always go back and change that. Just make sure the double exposure now it's at 0. Okay, so that looks pretty fine. I will do the same thing on the other side, and, well, everywhere needs to be fixed. Okay, so this is the 50% edited image. Now, as you can see, I don't like how the bed sheet, or, well, I will stop calling it bed sheet, I will call it the white background. So I don't like how it looks. So I will go and use the corrector tool, zoom in a little bit, and just drag a line and try to smoothen out the surface. Every little imperfection. Oops. Oops. Okay, come on. I have to zoom in a bit more. Okay, here. Roughly, because we will whiten it, and that will help a lot again. Okay. looks much better. Okay, so here is the before and after. Now, I will go and use the brush tool. I will brush it and try to make everything a little whiter. And you will see that it will help a lot. And our picture will be super nice. So you just take your finger and drag that pencil all over where you want it to be whiter. Just paint over it. There. Now it looks super nice. And I can leave it like this if I want to, but I will save it and I will open it in Motionleap. And remember, you can use these tricks for any kind of image you like. I personally really like how this Christmas photo turned out. I mean, it was my dream to create an aesthetic, good-looking, white, modern, I don't know, just girly Christmas photo with the Christmas tree. And I'm so happy how it turned out. Let me know if you guys like it, how it turned out. Okay, so in the previous editing video, I forgot to tell you about Pixaloop. Basically, it's a free app. It has free features, but less and less. I don't know. You can either buy the whole app, which is, I don't know, should I call it expensive or not? It's about, let me convert it, between $70 and $80, let's say. And you will have all the features, all the new ones, the upcoming ones, old ones, everything you will have, you can use for lifetime. If not, if you want to try them out, I did the same thing. I just paid like $6 or $7 for a 1-month subscription, and I don't know, I am seriously thinking if I will use this app often, then I will have to purchase the whole thing, because it's worth it. If you are into photo editing and if you like the features they offer you, then I think you should go for it. I will open Motionleap. Okay, so I really like the bokeh in the background from the fairy lights, so I will search the fairy lights and I will go to elements. And I really like these ones, so I will place one of them here, another one near it, just a smaller one. Alright, like that, and I will add another one on the other side, like that, and I can add another one, so it's not unlimited. And there you have it. Seriously, some bokeh in the background. It transforms the picture. Now you can export it. So this is the final image. Actually a video image. It's so nice. And here I want to show you another one I made in Snapseed. You can make this in Snapseed as well. So here you just need to take the original photo with you holding the bubble, and separately the photo of you sitting on something. I sat on the table and I made some gingerbread cookies and I took a photo of each of them, and it's like a gingerbread village. So my point here is that you don't have to use Photoshop to create amazing images. I don't know, I wish I knew how to handle Photoshop I just can't. I tried it once and I'm the type of person who wants to learn very fast everything. So yeah, Photoshop is not for me, at least for now. Maybe in the future I will be a Photoshop expert, but right now Snapseed and Lightroom is all that I need, and this is why I want to share these tips with you guys. If you are a beginner, I want to encourage you to create, to use your imagination, to create awesome pictures. It's very easy, you just have to add the layers with double exposure. Actually, this is what you're doing in Photoshop too, it's just, I don't know, it seems more complicated. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. And again, if you want to grab a hat, I will link the Etsy shop in the description box. Make sure to check that out. Yeah, let me know in the comments, what do you think of these apps? Do you use them often? Do you want to start using them? And what video do you want me to do next? Maybe the Lightroom and the preset one, or I don't know, anything you would like, just leave me in the comments below and I will make it for you guys. Thank you very much, and I hope this new year will be better for all of us. I wish you all the best in the new year. Stay happy, healthy, and I will see you very soon. Take care, bye bye!